Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Nessa, and I'm back with another DIY video for you guys. So today I will be showing you guys how to make your own infused eye masks. How does that sound, girl? And then we're gonna have a spa day after, guys. So the reason why I wanted to make an infused DIY mask is because I recently saw this at the Lavender Fields when I went last year, and I just kind of thought it was a little pricey. So I figured, why not buy a bunch of lavender and we can make it at home. And if you have some lavender oil, even better. Alrighty guys, so what we're gonna need for this video is a bunch of dry flowers of your choice. You can probably do this with like roses, eucalyptus, or gardenia. I've heard they're like really good, heavily and heavenly scented flowers that you could just use to infuse your masks if you want to, if you do not like lavender. But I had gotten this last year from the Lavender Field. I put this in this really cute vase that I got from Pier 1. I just personally love it by the side of my bed because it not only gives it a little bit of decoration, it just helps. Like, I could just pick it whenever I want, smell it, and I'll be calm, you know? It helps with anxiety and shit like that. So, you're also gonna need an eye mask. I got this one from the dollar store. I really thought it was cool because, you know, you can easily just like slit it open and just put some lavender in here. Why not? And then the lavender doesn't really smell until you start to crush them. So I think that's really great. I'm going to be using a cup, a scissor. What you'll need is some thread. We'll be sewing this mask back together. The next few items that I'll be showing you is optional. You can use them if you want to. You do not have to. I had gotten this beaded bag again from the lavender oil. There is more lavender in here. So in order to make my mask really, really thick, I'm just going to go ahead and add whatever's left in here into here. So what I'm doing here is I'm just pulling some of the stems that I think would be nice and full enough to help me fill up this cup. Then I'm going to go ahead and empty the stems into the cup and make sure that I do not squeeze the lavender flowers because I don't want the oils to actually penetrate in the cup right now. I prefer them to penetrate in the mask when they're in there. I didn't want to use my entire bunch of lavender because I do like to use it sometimes on a regular daily basis, but I did use some of it, and I also had the pack of lavender from the field that I had bought. So I'm just gonna use this and add as much as possible. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the pack. I really liked seeing the inside of the pack because they had seeds in there and not just lavender, which I thought was really great to help make my mixture and my combination that I wanted to make. I mixed it up with these scissors because it was the only thing I had at the moment, but this cup was really full after I added the pack to it. Wow, look at that. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab my eye mask and try to slit a piece open. I ended up ripping it open, but it really helped me be able to fill it up just a little bit more. So it was kind of a good thing it got ripped. Now here's the messy part. Yes, this did make a whole bunch of mess, but because I was doing it outside, it really wasn't a problem for me. It's lavender. It'll fly away and we'll have much more lavender fields. It didn't take much to really fill up this eye mask. It kind of took half a cup, so I did have a lot of lavender left over. Now I'm just going to go ahead and grab my needle. I'm going to use the thread that's on the needle already just because I don't want to go ahead and pull out another thread if I don't need it. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So on the first try, my thread just kind of went through the mask because the knot that I made at the bottom just wasn't thick and sturdy enough, so I had to go back in and make 2 thick sturdy knots and then go ahead and sew up the hole that I created. Again, this is optional, but I went ahead and added a few drops of lavender oil just so that they can really penetrate, and when I squeeze the mask, the oil from the real lavender and the oil will penetrate together. And there you guys have it, your lavender infused eye mask. I went ahead and added a few drops to the back of it just so that when I put it on my face, I have a little bit more lavender scent, and it can also help with hopefully my bags. So that was it for the eye mask. I do have a lot more of the lavender left over. I could definitely make another eye mask. I had gotten this from Target. I can post it down below. I really like it. I use it for my body, but I really wanted to soak the eye mask in it just so that it can smell a little bit more lavendery. So I'm definitely going to put this on tonight when I go to sleep. So let's get into the spa day. Alright guys, so I went ahead and I washed my face using Purity. I really love this facial cleanser because it's like a 2-in-1 basically. It's like a makeup remover and a facial cleanser. So I will go ahead and tag this down below. I normally get this at like Sephora or Ulta or something. I'm also going to be steaming my face with my facial steamer from Amazon. Yes, I'll be tagging this down below. And I'll be making my own face mask. I need some deep pore cleaning. So I got this healing clay from Face Values. You could go ahead and check that out. Or it's on Amazon as well. So I could go ahead and tag that down below for you. But I'm just going to go ahead and put this in some water. And we're going to go ahead and make our own face mask today. Just because I feel like I'm in desperate need of, you know. So let's enjoy our spa day. I'm just gonna go ahead and take my mask and put it on. Yes, you already know. Yeah, I'm about to fall asleep. No, I'm not. But I am currently offline. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and take a very little of this bowl of water. I'm just gonna take like 3 scoops and throw it in there. You already know. And mix it up. I added 2 more scoops just so it can be a little thicker. But once the lumps start forming, you can use it like this, which I'm gonna do because I don't like it too thick. This is a very tight mask already, so you don't want to make it too thick and then it's gonna like tighten your face so tightly that you won't be able to move. So just be careful. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it on for 20 minutes. I will come back and check it out. I can't really move in my mouth. And now that I'm done washing my face, I'm just gonna go ahead and moisturize. Girl, you know we need that hydration, right? So I use Clinique Moisture Hydrator, right? It should be helping, bro. You already know. I've always put it on the outside, on the harder part of my cheek, just because my face is a little too sensitive on the softer side. So I always rub it in from the cheekbones, yeah, I guess, and my forehead. Okay guys, so that is it for the spa day. I know it's not really much, but I'm currently offline. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you guys wanted to see how I made these jeans, go ahead and check out my previous video that I made. I think they came out really, really cute. I'm really happy about how they came out. And yes, I'm out here. Again guys, I hope this video was bright and beautiful just like you, and I hope it gave you guys something to do. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I will see you again in my next video. Mwah!